First and most important step is to make sure that you have the right information for the video. If you do not have the right information for the video, it will be hard and challenging to make the video. One of the most important things to remember is to get the right research from the right website. The next most important step is to make sure to have the proper timeline and planning for the video. Making a proper timeline takes time and can be changed throughout the entire video. It does not have to be a hard copy. It just has to make you have a better understanding on what you're doing in the video. Make sure to include all your sources and websites that you've used in a works cited page beside your timeline, just to have all the information together in one piece. When planning, you do not have to be artistic. Just make sure you have the proper information and scenes ready for when you're going to film. Third and final most important step is video editing. Video editing does not need to be done on a crazy computer. Lots of people think that you need crazy good hardware to do anything in the video editing software. And that can be true when you're editing big videos. When you're editing basic videos like I'm trying to teach you, it is very easy to do with the program I'm going to show you. So the program I use is iMovie. iMovie is a very, very good program. It'll help you do things like cut video, fade. You'll also be able to put audio, and it'll already have basic audio features and sound put into the app. And it is very easy to use on your phone and or iMac. iMovie is a very helpful software if you do not have good hardware like graphics cards in your computer to work on video editing. What's up, guys? It's your boy Jake Taylor here, and we found our little secret spot. Obviously not gonna tell anybody about it, but yeah, I'll show you this real quick. Or spinner. Got my knot from the last video tied on. Yeah, we're ready. So we found our little secret spot and we're ready to fish. Get the bobber over there, and it's under as we catch a fish. Might have come off, but this is how it's been all day long.